What's up, folks? It's Donnie D'Amato here. I'm going to go ahead and take my ride home right now. It's going to take about an hour and a half, and we're going to do some editing in between, and I hope you enjoy. Right now, we're in Hell's Kitchen. We're by an area where the taxis hang out, horse carriages. This part shouldn't be so hard. It's uphill into the middle of Manhattan. Now that we're in the dead center of Manhattan, it should be downhill for the most part. Yo! Give me some room, man! Thank you! Crush me over here. You saw me coming. Didn't you see me, bub? I've made it before, though. What's up? Thanks. Go! That's the normal entrance to the Queensboro Bridge. We gotta go underneath it. Oh, this guy pays attention. Ah, perfect. Queensboro Bridge in front of us. Just about left Manhattan, about to go over the East River, and at the top of the East River is the flat part where I can pedal it out, and then the downslope, which I just recently did without braking until the end. Oh boy! Woo boy! Woo boy! Welcome to Queens! Someone left this ladder here from earlier today. Okay. Here we are on Queens Plaza, the most amazing bike lane in the city. That's because it's extra new. Okay, that ahead is the 7 train, and right below Roosevelt Avenue. You can see those flashing walk signs. We want to get up there before they stop flashing. Uh-oh. Okay, well, I guess that's not really going to happen here. No! Alright, this part is kind of hard because I'm just getting into traffic here. What I normally do is I actually stay in the left lane because the right side is full of potholes and manhole covers and things like that. So what we try to do is try to stay in these lines over here. The problem with this is there's some barriers. So the one ahead, I have to weave into traffic during these. So first goal is to get past this one. Okay. There's also potholes around these for some reason too. Okay. So we have a running start. Now, something very interesting in this area when I get up to 70. There's hardly any traffic here. You'll have these couple cars that go, and then once I hit 70th Street here, I can actually weave up and around the road. You'll see that in a minute. Let me just check behind me because I don't want to do it. Here we go. Yeah, there's one measly van here. And then, oh, great. Okay, behind me is the Q60 bus. The Q60 bus annoys the crap out of me because it's always going in my lane, coming out of my lane, going in my lane, coming out of my lane. So hopefully this little stretch right here is going to help me out a little bit. Actually, it stopped at a light back there, so that's going to give me some time while I coast down this. And as you can tell, like I said, I can do whatever the heck I want down here. This is great. This is a great ride. Okay, turn up on the sidewalk. Here we go. And again, you're not supposed to do this. But, like I said, you can hear the bus tickets real bad. So, I'm gonna go ahead. What's up, bub?
Thanks, buddy.
Thanks, man. There goes the Q60. That's gonna help me out. Here we go. Okay. What the hell are these streetlights? Traffic over here is a little crazy. Here's the mall. wind is going against me right now. Hard. Second Street. Alright, if you can't tell, this is one big hill, so what I'm going to do is we're going to just pull over. And I'm going to end the tour right here. And with ending the tour, I'm just going to show you what I've been riding this whole time. Here we go. Okay, folks, here it is, the HT3 hand trike. So obviously here over the pedals here. And also, if I go backwards on the pedals, the brake. There's also a nice brake here for the front. Here's the gear shift. Has 3 gears. My music here, and then there's the crankshaft goes down to an internal gearbox on the hub. Some foot pedals here for me to rest my feet. This spring here is to stabilize it so it doesn't wobble when I'm pedaling. And then this is the front bag here for some stuff. Here are the back wheels. Here's my bottle holder. Back here is some there's a I guess a basket and the locks and cables, and this was supposed to be on the whole time, but there it goes. Doesn't really help me now, I guess. And then my bag, and this is the tripod it was on, my jerry rigging for the tripod. So I'm just going to back it up real quick so you can take a nice good look at it. And as you can see, I am perspiring. And that's going to be it. So I'm going to turn my my cardio trainer off and head home and take a shower and finish out the rest of my Saturday. Here we go.